With the U.S. passing 400,000 COVID-19 deaths, the Biden team is out with a 200-page, multifaceted plan aimed at stopping the spread, getting kids back in school, and getting vaccines into people's arms.
Our national strategy is comprehensive. It's based on science, not politics. It's based on truth, not denial.
So what's in the plan? First, there's vaccine and testing supplies, fully leveraging the Defense Production Act to prevent potential bottlenecks in vaccine supplies like glass vials and syringes. The Production Act was something the Trump administration used, but relied heavily on companies being willing to help. They also plan to immediately release significant doses of the vaccine to the states and only maintain a small federal reserve, and help the states distribute the vaccines by allowing state and local governments to reimburse vaccine administration expenses through the FEMA Disaster Relief Fund. They'll use stadiums and arenas to host large, federally run vaccination clinics and encourage states to expand vaccine eligibility to people over the age of 65. That's something the Trump administration had already begun doing. Another place of agreement with the last administration, reopening schools. Team Biden hopes to have the majority of schools, kindergarten through 8th grade, open in the next 100 days. That means developing a national strategy from the Departments of Education and Health and Human Services on reopening and expanding testing. Then there's masks. While he can't implement a national mask mandate, masks will be required on all federal property and for all federal employees and contractors, as well as in airports. Another thing that will be different from the last administration?
Good evening, everyone.
Daily press briefings and regular updates from experts. The last public coronavirus task force briefing was 2 months ago. Now, the problem with President Biden's plan to vaccinate 100 million people in his first 100 days in office is that it relies on people's willingness to get the vaccine. That's something his team says they will address with a multilingual campaign aimed at public education. Amber Strong, Newsy, Northern Virginia.